Our coverage of Computex 2025 from Taipei, Taiwan is brought to you by Thermaltake, Cooler Master, Gigabyte, Trix, and G-Skill.
Why did I hit record? Welcome to this epic journey that we're taking today. We're doing a tech. This is our first video covering Taipei, Taiwan, Computex 2025, which is a good thing because I didn't get. I'm not even like the words I want to say aren't even coming out of my mouth. Okay. Welcome to our first video for Computex 2025. I did not get much sleep last night, which is why I'm having a difficult time talking. We have a tech journey to go on today. We need to get some very important things, but first we need to get to Taipei. We're still in California. Hannah's still in the car. We gotta drop her off. Joe's here, but let's get going. Let's get to the airport. All right. How much sleep did you get last night, Joe?
I actually went to bed like at 11:30.
So responsible.
I know, it's great.
I got to bed at 3:30, 4, but that should mean that I am very tired and maybe I can sleep on the plane.
I packed my suitcase 3 days ago, so.
Joe's ready.
Yeah,
Joe's excited for the Taipei trip. What are you most excited about on this trip, Joe?
Experiencing good public transportation.
That is nice.
Right?
How about, and food, right?
And of course the dumplings.
And of course the food.
Yeah.
That big one. Thank you for the ride.
Thanks.
Enough of that. We have checked in, we made it through security, and now we get to wait for our flight. Our flight is 13 hours? 13 hours.
About 13, yeah.
Should be plenty of time to take a nap.
Miss Wang and Emily. Miss Wang and Emily.
There we go. Very good.
This guy gets there, sitting there.
Bye, thank you. Now we are in Taiwan. It was like a short, close to 14-hour flight. I watched Gladiator 2, Lord of the Rings, Ride of the Rohirrim, and Captain America: Brave New World. Great movies. Isn't it funny how after a really long flight you watch like 3 movies and then you're like, wait, what was the movie I watched? It's crazy. Anyway, now we can go on our adventure to buy some technology. Wait, no, we gotta go through customs first. Yeah, let's do that. Our baggage is already just like right here. They took it off the baggage cart for us and everything. Now we can go to the next thing. Wi-Fi. We need Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi acquired. All right. And now to our hotel. Cabinet. AC.
Yay. Call it Yacy.
We've arrived. We're staying at the Hyatt this year. We did a really cool Airbnb last year, but then Joe was like, Paul, we better stay at the Hyatt or I'm not going to edit your videos. And I was like, Joe, you're so spoiled, Joe. I gotta stay at the Hyatt. Oh my gosh. Slightly larger suite that we got here, mainly because Joe's going to be editing, so we gotta have room for him, and also wanted to have the room that has a separate bedroom, so that, you know, if one of us needs to sleep, we can. Oh, look, there's even like a little sitting area in here. That's cool. Walk-in closet in the bathroom. Ooh, nice bathroom.
Right in the chair for people that I can sit and watch me sleep.
What's that?
Huh? It's like a random chair there in a corner to, if you don't watch me sleep, I guess you could.
So you can meditate. We just arrived in Taipei, and one of the first things we saw as we walked over to try to get some food is this truck. Look what it is. It's an NVIDIA pop-up store truck where they have like stuff for GTC and Computex and everything. At first I thought maybe we can buy some graphics cards, but no, we got shirts. We even have this little Jensen shirt with little Jensen AI faces all over it. That's amazing. So if you come to Taipei, then maybe you can shop at the NVIDIA pop-up store, but no actual graphics cards for sale, just shirts and pens and stuff like that.
Thank you. Nice. Right.
Meal one has arrived. Starting with some curry. I got pork katsu. Joe got chicken. Joe opted for the black rice. How do you like it?
It's almost like a little sweet.
A little sweet?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
You try it?
No.
Huh?
No.
It's a clean area.
Okay, fine. I'll try your...
I'm not gonna spoon feed you. Is that what you thought?
It's black rice.
Mmm.
No sweet. That's
Right? Good.
Just enjoyed the breakfast.
Yeah, let's go rotate.
Gimbal endpoints reached.
All right, we are finally leaving the Hyatt. We got a good night's rest. We traveled to Taipei. Now this video needs a little bit of focus, like a goal, something that we're working towards. So we're spending our first day getting prepared. We need to make sure we have supplies that are needed for the week so that we can have sustenance, so that Joe can edit videos and not have a bad back or anything. So we're gonna find a monitor for Joe to use, but I think we got that sorted out for later today. First though, we're gonna go to PX Mart. That's the place that Joe got tipped off on last trip or 2 trips ago, because it's a great place to stock up on some food and supplies and not spend a lot of money. Also, it's hot. It's hot and humid. We're on our way, and look, Jeff found us.
Hey, how's it
Jeff
going, everyone?
from Craft Computing.
Hello.
Like, there's so many tech people here for Computex.
It's so cool. I mean, we travel, what, 6,000 miles to meet each other when we live 700 apart?
I do that with so many people.
I know.
We don't live that far apart, but we only ever actually hang out in Taiwan.
Exactly.
It's fine though. But this is Jeff's first time in Taiwan.
Yes.
So we're giving him the rundown, and we're going to take him over to PX Mart so they can get stocked up.
It's already too hot.
It's already
too hot.
Oh, we found it.
Watch your step.
Oh, watch your step. Something downstairs. Ooh, we got cute little shopping carts in this cute little store. Some bread over here, whatever that is. Ooh, look, produce. Oh, this is bigger than I thought. There's even more. There's even more room for activities. Amazing. Oh yes, and probably beer and stuff too. One of the most important things that I try to locate every time I'm in Taiwan is thought I saw one. Oh, there it is. Here we go. This is malt milk. What is it? It's malted milk, pre-mixed. Why don't they sell this in the United States? I don't know. It's delicious, and I love it. I might drink all this. Almost done with our shopping trip. Let's give you guys a look at what we've got here. Some apples. Fuji apples are good to have. We have coffee. Those are mine. And then Joe got Joe got the Mr. Brown coffee because he prefers those. We also got these nuts right here. Those are also mainly going to be Joe. And then Joe really likes these little pancake sandwich things. Do you guys like these? It's like 2 pancakes with sugar inside or something like that. But not just sugar. See, we also got fruit. See, got some grapes, apples, and a poofa. Alright, sustenance secured. We returned our grocery goods back to the Hyatt over there in our room. Now we're going... What is that noise? What is that noise? We brought our food, put it back in the room at the Hyatt so it wouldn't melt and stuff. Now we're going out to try to locate 2 more things, and the theme is buying stuff in Taiwan that would cost a lot more money if I bought it back in the United States. Probably not worth like the cost of the trip coming out to Taiwan to get these things, but since I'm here anyway, might as well. For item number 1, we're going to a place that you might recognize if you watched my finale video from last year's Computex vlog. That place is not located very close to our hotel. So we do have a bit of a walk. 15 or 20 minutes walking in Taiwan, in Taipei, when the weather is like it is. It's about 89 or 90 degrees Fahrenheit today and quite humid. Oh, we should be all right, but hey, look, Sun Yat-sen Memorial Hall. Nice little park we're going by on the way, though.
Nice. You gotta set up here for birdies and all the good stuff.
But the store that we're looking for is Bid Buy For You, and it is right there, red sign. Let's check it out. So I came here last year, and they won my respect, and I'm coming back for more. 2 things I need to say before we go inside. One is that the set I bought last year, which was the Rivendell set, I still haven't put together. I'm sorry about that, but I will be putting it together soon. And 2 is that I want to say a big thank you to anyone who has subscribed to my brick building channel, Paul's Brick Vids, which is in my associated channels on my YouTube channel. I have not posted much content there yet, but I have done several builds, several projects. Joe actually just finished editing the Diagon Alley build, so I'll be starting to post some videos there as well really soon. Let's head inside and see what they got. The store is awesome. We got the pick-a-brick wall over here. Very big building bin over there where you can sort of just build stuff if you want. Lots of displays. Cool. Oh, look, it's the new... Some of these new sets I've only seen pictures of so far. This is a shuttle aircraft carrier that just came out. Little spaceman gift with purchase. I don't have anything to purchase right now, which is why I don't have that. Ooh, the T-Rex. Downstairs where they keep the good stuff. Look at that. What a cool display this is.
That is cool, Paul. What is this supposed to be?
That's
Ninjago thing?
Ninjago, yeah.
Man. Was this your last time?
If it was, I didn't notice it. And maybe it wasn't.
We're too excited to get your kit.
Yeah. I think I found what I'm looking for, though. There it is. Barad, which sells for 11,600 NT here, which is roughly $85 or so less than if I were to buy this directly in the US. I just have to take it back with me.
Yeah.
As you can see,
Yeah, it's cool.
it's a really cool set. Alright, this should go well with Rivendell, which I'll build soon, I'm sure. Or...
You need box.
Oh, the box comes with it?
Yeah.
Okay. The Lego ships the big sets in shippable boxes, so it's the straight from Lego.
Thank you.
Hi.
That's a heavy box to carry around. All right, stop number 2 is to get another of the thing that I'm recording this on right now. DJI Osmo 3 Pocket camera. Joe got one first, then I got this one. I wanted a second one to have as a backup, especially when I'm using it as a primary camera for show coverage or something like I'm doing this week. But they've recently gotten a lot more expensive in the US thanks to taxes, you know, and so buying one here is like $200 or $300 cheaper. We're looking for Jason Communication, which I think that's what this is. Yep, Jason. Let's see if they actually have it in stock. That would be the main question. Never mind. They had it listed on their website, but talked to the dude inside, used some Google Translate, and he said not now. That was his answer. They don't have it right now. So it's hot. It's getting hotter, and it might start thunderstorming. So we're gonna go back to the hotel. I'm starting to feel tired. We've had such a productive day. We've done so many things. Most importantly, got the Lego set. Weren't able to get another Osmo 3, but we're now going to get one very important thing downstairs. Look, the seedy underbelly. I can't. No, we can't show this.
And hopefully, you guys can. I wasn't sure why you were letting go. I was like, because I was like, I'm like,
it's stuck on the plastic. We're gonna give Corsair a little bit more time to set up, I think. What? NDA? Oh, into the NDA. Okay. Just like Computex, it's always fun to come and see like the setup, like before it's all kind of polished and finished off. So that's kind of cool. But monitor was a very big important thing we had to get for Joe because he needs more space to work with while he's editing, and also for ergonomics. Looking down at a laptop on the desk the whole week, not good for back and all that stuff. Having a monitor you can raise up to a normal height, way better. And as the sun sets on our first full day in Taipei, which you'd totally be able to see if it wasn't cloudy and kind of raining, we can now show you the setup that we have going. We're now much better prepared for our week here, or I would say Joe in particular is. So Gigabyte, who is a sponsor for our coverage, provided us with a loaner laptop to use for the week. This is the Gigabyte Aorus X17, which is a 17-inch laptop. This is actually the same laptop that we used 2 years ago.
yeah.
Pretty cool. So it's got an RTX 4090 in it. Really solid laptop for video editing, a lot of power, and a nice portable form factor. And of course, we've now paired that with our Corsair Xeneon 32-inch 4K monitors. So Joe actually has lots of screen space to work with. He also has a monitor that's up at a much more ergonomic height. We may or may not be getting a different chair. This one's cushiony, but it doesn't have armrests.
It's not as bad, actually.
It's not terrible.
Yeah.
It's definitely could be worse.
That was worse, that's for sure.
We asked Hyatt for like an office chair, and this is what they brought over. Not what we were looking for exactly, but anyway, we're good to go for right now. And I think that's going to wrap it up for this video number 1 for Computex 2025. Thank you guys for watching. Just been trying to document a little bit of the journey getting here and some of those first things that we do, especially like on day 1 when we don't have quite as packed of a schedule. But we do have a very packed schedule for the days coming up. So if you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel, go ahead, get subscribed, hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. We have lots of Computex coverage coming at you real soon. A big thank you to Corsair and our friend Justin for providing us with this monitor. And also a huge thank you to our sponsors for Computex 2025. Gigabyte, who let us borrow the laptop. Gigabyte was also going to let us borrow a chair and a monitor too, but it was down at their headquarters, which is a little bit further away. Corsair being just downstairs was very convenient to grab that monitor from them. But also a big thank you to the rest of our sponsors for Computex 2025, G-Skill, Cooler Master, Thermal Takes, and Tricks. So many more videos coming at you guys, so subscribe if you're not already, and we'll see you all in the next one.